Yeah, recording is started. No, it was there. Come on.
You are telling.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
tell
Kai?
can I tell the answer?
No, no.
D6. Queen to D6.
Queen to D6. Queen to D6 is the wrong answer.
But it can go to checkmate also and pawn also.
But pawn is supported and it is not a checkmate. King will move and how the checkmate will happen afterwards. Hans.
Hello,
Yes, yes, Hans.
sir. Queen to B8.
Queen to B8. Perfect. यहाँ से कॉर्नर से वो राजा को जाता है और बाद में ये मिल रहा है. Next move will be this.
Sir, even D3 might work.
D3 is also fork.
Let us see.
इसमें हमने क्या किया? आपका जैसे
D3 is also fork.
अभी तो मॉक चला गया.
Or D3. D3 cannot be a fork. This is a bad fork. Attacking pawn and attacking this. Because pawn is well supported. This comes over here, so attacking one pawn, this pawn, and attacking king.
Not D3.
D3 में आए
Sir, D3.
bishop only बेटा. Where
No, sir. D3.
Sir, D3.
D3. Very bad.
Sir, that is D. Sir, that is D6.
Oh, sorry. This is, you feel this is a fork? Attacking this and attacking this and attacking this. All can be saved. All can be saved with one move. This knight will come to C3 and knight will give support to rook. Rook is saved. Knight has got support from pawn. So knight is saved. And knight is coming between queen and bishop. So bishop is also saved. Everything will be saved. So this is not the correct fork. Everybody will be tempted to give this. But we have to avoid such kind of temptation. So this is right. Now again, black to move. Move a piece. Yes, Gareth.
Sir, I got it.
Yes, Gareth.
So, if you move your knight to D3,
Knight to D3. That is a,
The queen will capture it then.
the queen will capture.
that is not a good fork. So your safety is most important. The first priority for everything is safety.
Okay, sir.
Come on, Anushka, tell me.
Sir, I'm thinking.
Okay.
Sir, can I say? I know it.
Who is this?
Sir, Advait.
Yes, Advait.
Sir, D7, queen.
Queen D7.
Queen.
How the queen will capture it? No,
Queen will
Ah.
come.
it will be E8.
Perfect. E8. So attacking on both the knights.
Knights.
Perfectly. And you have to save this only and not this. Okay?
Here कौन सा है इसका?
Yeah, because if you try to save this, what will happen? Where you will try to save this? Here. So then after this check is there and attack on this. Attack on this. Attack on this hidden attack, and then this will kill over there. So it's very bad. This cannot go over here for safety. Cannot go over here also for safety. Because again, after catching this, there is another fork. So you have to give up this.
इसे ZCL है. Okay, अभी ZCL.
Next, white to play. Think very carefully. Panushka is going to tell me. Panushka.
अरे.
Hello, sir.
Come on, Kanushka.
E4.
Queen to
Sir.
E4.
Yes.
Sir, queen to E4.
Queen to E4. Queen to E4 is giving fork, right? But to whom? And bishop. King will move, or king won't move. Pawn will come in the middle. King cannot move down. Pawn will move, come over here. But queen cannot kill this bishop because bishop is very much supported. Though it is a fork, it's not a good fork.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I got it.
Yes.
It's queen to C2.
Perfect.
B5.
C2.
B5 also, sir. It can go B5.
Now it is giving check here and then attacking this.
Sir, it can go to
Hello?
B5.
Let us-
Hello, the voice is cracking. Not able to hear.
Yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Yes.
What somebody
Sir,
was
it can go to B5 also. B5.
E5.
Sir,
E5.
B5.
B5. B5. So, acha, that means you want to give fork to bishop and pawn, but both are interconnected. They are supporting each other. Even bishop is also supported by queen, so there is no use of it.
Yes.
Ultimately, there should be a use. So as
E2 is the right place.
as such, this can go over here and giving fork to pawn and queen. This can go over here, giving fork to pawn and queen. This can go over here, giving fork to pawn and rook. Here, again here also, it can come over here also, giving fork to pawn. And
क्या
correct. This is also not correct because this can simply move itself. Or is
ये अपना एक ZCL में बनेगा, ZCL में ऑर्डर बनेगा, वो है क्या?
somebody's microphone is on.
ठीक है.
Please,
देख लेता हूँ. एक मिनट और फिर एक चाल देख.
Yeah, thank you. Nisha, तुझा microphone on राहतोय. Gareth, your also microphone is remaining on mute. Yeah, after talking, you try to mute it immediately. Okay. So here, this is the only possibility, good one, C2. attacking this and attacking this. Now continuation will be easy. Black to move.
हाँ एक मिनट सर, एक बार इसको रिफ्रेश कर.
Sir, I got the answer.
Sir, I got the answer.
Answer. So easily.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishan, tell me.
Sir, queen to a3. No, sorry, queen to a5.
Perfect. 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 Now this is the common trap. This particular is a common trap. Attacking this and now taking this. Perfect. Very good. Ishan, very good.
Sir, खूप सारे answers
Hello?
भेटताय.
Good, good.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Yes.
I have one doubt. See, where the ABCD is mentioned, the white is supposed to be on that side.
Yeah, ABC. This is A1, A2. White is supposed to be in this side only.
Okay, that's the correct position.
Yeah, that's the correct position. Here, A1 side is white. If A1 is written over here, white will be this side. This side will be white.
Then we have to play. Then the white is supposed to play.
So, no. See here, black to move and move a piece. This is a red
Yeah,
dot.
but
So it is
you said the red dot will be on the side where which team has to play.
oh yes, yes, yes. They have done something wrong. That's you are right, absolutely. Something they have their program wrong. It is black to black to play and get it. This is something they have done wrong.
Sir, it can go to A5 also.
Yeah,
Queen
because,
8,
clearly indicating that it is white's turn. Very much clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. So supposing it is white's turn, then whether there is a fork chance, let us see. If it is white's turn, can white give fork?
No.
The one fork is there, but that is not good fork. This fork.
Yeah. The knight will capture the queen.
So here this indication is wrong. So there must be a bug in the program.
Mhm.
Fine. Next is naturally this. Black to move. See again same thing. The red dot is over here. But it is black to move.
Sir, I got the answer.
Ishan, you got the answer
Yes.
so fast. So I don't want it now. I
Okay,
want
sir.
somebody else then. Particularly Hartej. Hartej is not able to speak up yet. Come on, Hartej.
Sir, got it.
Fantastic. Give me.
Sir, queen to H4.
Queen to H4. Okay. You have to play next move also. Okay, what next?
Queen to E4.
Perfect. Queen takes bishop. Perfectly well. So here, this is one thing again, some new thing.
Queen can hit to black queen.
Then there is a support from this bishop. Bishop is supporting your queen. So what is...
Sir, and we are attacking the rook.
Yes, correct. So here, already there is a attack. Supposing here, there is an attack on this and this is quite good support. Okay. Or support from here. So what black can do, very similar situation. One attack and one support. So if black comes over here and tries to give another attack and white has another piece also. So white will bring the piece and give another support also. You understand this? So this can happen. To avoid this, what they have done turn up is that you give a fork. King is involved. And since there is one attack, this is the second attack, only one support. So next move, what you get is this. Here you can get the rook also, but what you get is the main targeted piece. So एक attack किसी piece के ऊपर है और उसको support भी है. Still you can give second attack in the form of a fork and then cash the situation. Take the advantage of the situation. Here is the same thing has happened. You attack the bishop, which was supported, but bishop was attacked by your bishop. So that is now here, after the check, you had created a second attack. There was no chance for the white to save or create second support, and you got the chance. Again, there is one more fork is created. Now rook will go. So here what the white will play? Can anybody tell me what is the right way of white? What is the right move for white? Can anybody say?
So queen to e3.
Queen to e3. Then bishop, rook will go. White will lose rook. Here correct measure is now queen takes queen. Simply. Nothing else. I will put this problem
Captured.
on demo board. This is little interesting.
इधर रिलीज कर रहा है ओपन ऑर्डर ऐसा नहीं होता देख लेता हूं मैं
बहुत महंगा
मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं रख रहा हूँ, सिर्फ ये व्हाइट की पीसेस रख रहा हूँ. Yeah, this is very interesting situation. So after capturing the bishop over here, black is creating one more fork. This is also a fork. So with this fork, if this moves over here, you can take this one thing, or you can take this also, creating check. This comes over here, again check. This comes over here, again you take this. So you get lot many things. Then alternatively, there is one more alternative. There is one more alternative, is that this is also a fork. Now if this kills, you kill. This is the right course. Now this is attacking, and this is also attack on this and this. So next move for white is compulsorily castling. So this is rook is saved, and this fork attack is also saved. Just see here. There is an attack on this. There is an attack on this. This is under attack. So compulsory queen takes queen, bishop takes queen, and then castling. Even castling, yeah, castling is okay. Otherwise, this comes over here. and again give check. Again give check and see this. The bishop is here. Na? This can come over here. Oh, sorry. This can come over here also and attacking this and this. But this is not good because this is there. Many combinations comes. So you have to think little ahead also. Now, not only fork or immediate fork what you are getting, try to think little ahead of that what next you are getting after the fork. And that next move will give you certainly a good move for your planning. Fork could be a plan, part of the plan. Not exactly every time you want to win the piece. It could be a plan, part of plan. Avani. White to move. Now here it is correct, a red dot.
Sir, knight c3 to d5.
Knight c3 to d5. Anybody else? Ishan?
The queen to b3.
Queen to b3. Perfect. Very good. It was difficult to find. Yes. Really difficult. Good one. But knight to d5 is wrong because this knight will capture. This knight will capture the knight. Safety is first, Avni. So what he said is this. This is the perfect attacking bishop and the king.
Yes, sir.
Then you capture this. Then you attack on rook, bishop and knight. All are attacked. Now how you will save all three? My next question. It is for black. How you will save all three? Now you are losing rook, but it is properly supported. You are saving bishop, but again it is supported. But you are not, you are losing knight. How to save knight?
Sir,
Yes.
rook to c8. Is
Perfect.
that correct?
Absolutely perfect. Rook to c8. So every piece they are saving each other. Pieces are saving each other. Even this knight is saving this pawn also. So that is what we have to play. Every piece on the board is supported. You see, with the black's position, every piece is supported. Once black's rook comes to c8, it is black's turn. Then everything is supported. In case of white also, see, everything is supported. Not a single piece is left out, piece or pawn. And that is the
Sir, e7.
how e7 is supported by knight. See, that is the quality of a good player. You take any position from Grandmaster's game or Master's game, you will find all their pieces are all the time supported. If at all you will find any piece hanging, I am using the term, see, it is a hanging. Hanging means no support. Then at least they have a certain plan to keep that piece hanging. Otherwise, they don't keep any piece hanging without support. A very clear thing for you to learn. Okay, this will be the last problem, 88 number. White to play.
Sir, is that queen to G? Is that correct?
Queen to
G1.
Queen to G1 is absolutely correct. Very good. Attacking rook and attacking bishop. Now what you will play? You will play this. Simple. Good. Very good. So we have
पण
completed.
B8 ला घेतला तर B8 ला घेतला तर
आपण बघूया ना, बघूया ना. कुठे
सर मग आपण कोणालाच नाही मारू शकत ना.
कुठे B8 ला B8 ला
हो सर.
हा
you are getting pawn. After check,
Yeah.
you take the pawn and your attack will be on queen. Sorry, rook.
या rook.
Will take this pawn and rook is saved. So taking 1 point or taking at least 3 points, which is better. So this also happens many times. Multiple forks are available. You have to choose one which benefit.
नहीं उनके ऑर्डर रखते पड़े हैं ब्लॉक में जा रहा है ठीक है
Problem number 88 is completed. So tomorrow,
हॅलो
tomorrow
हॅलो आई ऐकू येत नाहीये.
problem number 88 is completed. Now
ओके
tomorrow, as I had promised, we will take that attack, fried liver attack tomorrow, and then again next Friday we will continue the problems. Very clear to you, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. If anybody wants the session again, you have to repeat this. Then I will send the video on the link. I will share the link. If at all. anybody-
लास्ट सॅटर्डेची लिंक शेअर नाही केली आहे. हॅलो
हा 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 कळलं कळलं. आज करतो मी. सहा
Okay.
वाजता बरोबर.
Yes, sir. I want it.
11. Saturday is last 11. Okay.
थँक्यू सर.
Okay. Bye bye.
बाय.
Bye bye.
Bye.